The bee who organized the hive. Once upon a time, there was a young bee named Bella. Bella lived in a big, busy hive with many other bees. All the bees worked hard to collect nectar and make honey, but sometimes the hive got messy, and the bees didn't know where to go or what to do. Bella noticed this. She thought, what if I help everyone know what to do? Bella was very good at organizing. She flew to each bee and asked, "What do you like to do best?" Some bees like to gather nectar from flowers, some like to clean, and some like to make honey. Bella made a plan. She told the bees who liked flowers to go out and gather nectar. She asked the bees who liked cleaning to keep the hive tidy. The bees who loved making honey stayed close to the honeycombs, turning nectar into sweet honey. Soon the hive was buzzing with happiness. The bees knew exactly what to do, and they did it well. The hive became full of honey, clean and beautiful. The queen bee noticed Bella's hard work and said, "Thank you, Bella. You helped our hive work together. Now we are stronger and happier." Bella smiled. She learned that when everyone has a job they love, the whole hive can thrive.